Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the vidIQ Chrome extension easily. vidIQ is a helpful tool for YouTube creators to find ideas and improve their videos. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to the search bar and search for vidIQ. Here you will see the first one is vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. After installation, click on the puzzle icon, mark vidIQ as pin. Now here you will see connect with Google or continue with email. So I will continue with Google. You will see I will continue with Google. There will see you are all set. Then open YouTube. Then here you will see click on any video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the then select the vidIQ. Here you will see home dashboard, upload my videos, playlist. You can just select anything. Here you will suggestions for your videos. Once your account is connected, so this account does not have any video. Here you will see filters. I will refresh my page to apply vidIQ. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. Here you will see like recent uploads, underdogs, today's top trending shorts, all the details in one place. With the help of this, here you will see the matrices like this video, typically engagement, outline, overview, all the details you can see easily. Views, subscribers, daily ideas. You can also keyword inspector. With the help of this, you can find new keywords for your YouTube channel. And that's it. This is how to use the vidIQ Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.